today's video. I'm back with another natural hair video. I'll be sharing with you guys today how I refreshen my ginger reddish tone without damaging my hair. I know a lot of naturals are very specific with what type of color they use in their hair, if they use color at all, to make sure that their hair is still considered natural. Well, just so you know, my hair has been professionally colored for over the past year right now, and I've been trying my best to take very, very good care of my hair. And with that, it also means not over coloring my hair. Right now, you'll see in the video, my roots need to be retouched. But the best way for me to distract from my roots is just to wear it really, really big, and also to make sure that the color doesn't fade too much. So there again, I don't have to worry about going in as frequent and having my hair colored, therefore over processed, therefore basically, you know, in past videos, we've shown my hair falling completely out. I'll leave the clip right here if you have no idea what I'm talking about. Without further ado, I'm going to take you guys in the shower with me. I'm going to share with you the process that we go through to get my hair back in this formation. You want to see how I refreshen my hair without the damaging effects of hair color? Just keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get started. I've already taken my hair out of my pineapple, and you can see that the color looks a little bit dull. But you know what? What I'm about to show you is not going to take care of the roots. Just know that. I'm just showing you for reference. It still works because my hair is still growing. So we're actually going to enter the shower now, and we're going to definitely saturate my hair. You want to actually apply this process on very, very damp hair. So I want to make sure that every strand has that water moisture in it. So therefore the product is going to slip through the hair and it's going to grab. This is very, very important. But can we just go ahead and get into the coloring process? What I have here is a blend of Olaplex No. 3 as well as a tint, which is a color boost for my hair. It's been customized by a professional hairstylist, so those of you that want to try box dyes and things, I'm not familiar with that technique. This was actually pre-chosen for me by my hairstylist as well as pre-mixed. But I am in here is a mix of Olaplex No. 3, and I can go ahead and give you the benefits on that. It is going to be a treatment, not a conditioner, that reduces breakage and visibly strengthens hair. It improves its look and feel. Suggested use, like I mentioned, you apply it on damp hair, comb through once, leaving your hair for about 10 minutes or more, and then of course you're going to rinse from the hair. You're going to shampoo and condition. So you'll see right now I'm actually going to go ahead and start the 10-minute process. I'm using a shower cap so I can go ahead and do everything else that I do in the shower, and then we'll go ahead and get into the combing. We're going to detangle starting from the root and go, or actually from the end and work up to the root. You'll see that I go ahead and section my hair off. I am using a very, very wide tooth comb that does mimic raking my finger or detangling with my finger. This is something that I like to do because I can actually have complete control over the knots in my hair that have started to form. I will say that I think that Olaplex No. 3 is actually giving my hair more strength, and the way that I can tell that is because I used to never get tangles, but my hair it locks a little bit better now, so that is my indicator that the product is working. I'm showing you the comb because there's no breakage in my hair, and I'll show you at the end how much hair came out after this detangling session. I know it does seem like I'm struggling a little bit, but like I said, with the Olaplex No. 3 that's in this product, it does make my hair feel like it has a thicker strand. To some, that might be disturbing. To me, is actually a godsend because my hair being so fine, every strand that's maximized gives me that much more volume. And can we go ahead and get into the length? If you join me on any of my previous videos and my apogee series when my hair was shedding, you'll see that we have come a very, very long way. And here I'm showing you that I'm not using the Olaplex No. 4, which is the shampoo. I'm actually going to use my Mixed Chicks co-wash. This product I really feel like gives my hair more of a conditioning shampoo without overstripping the hair, and that's just something that I've stuck with. I don't typically like to use shampoos on my hair too much because obviously my hair is colored. It is a little bit more on the drier side, so I want to start adding that moisture back as soon as possible. But here I am going to use the Olaplex No. 5, which is the conditioner that goes to the Olaplex system. I love the scent of the product. I think it's very, very thick. It does have a good amount of slip, but at the same time it doesn't overwear my hair down and compromise the curl. and I'm going to show you in just a bit how the curl automatically just looks more controlled. It looks more defined, so therefore you know that this process has definitely worked on my hair. Still going through and making sure I don't have tangles on the hair, sectioning it off, taking my time, and really loving on that hair, coating every strand with that conditioner, working down from the root all the way down to the ends and loving on it. And here you'll see, this is the definition. You can also see on the top where that color really did start to take well, and each strand is coated, and there you have, that is the detangling session, all the hair that I'm typically getting from my hair on a very good treatment day. So we're going to rinse this out, making sure that you rinse it out. You definitely don't want to leave any product in the hair. Style the hair as usual, and yeah, that's about all I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below on any other videos you would like to see. Subscribe to my channel to make sure you never miss another upload. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.